Our universe is built on competition. From the very fabric of space-time to the intricate dance of celestial bodies, competition is a driving force. From the smallest particles to the largest galaxies, a constant battle for resources and survival unfolds. This relentless struggle shapes the cosmos, creating the dynamic and ever-evolving universe we observe. In this cosmic dance, only the fittest survive. This principle of survival of the fittest is mirrored in the natural world, where every organism fights for its place in the ecosystem. This principle of competition, so fundamental to our universe, has inspired a fascinating area of artificial intelligence: competitive neural networks. These networks mimic the competitive nature of biological systems to solve complex problems. Imagine a network of artificial neurons, each vying for the right to learn and adapt. This competition drives the network to become more efficient and effective in processing information. These networks, inspired by the competitive nature of biological neurons, are powerful tools for understanding and organizing data. They can process vast amounts of information quickly and accurately. They excel in tasks like clustering, pattern recognition, and data compression. By identifying patterns and relationships within data, they can make sense of complex data sets. But how do they work? Let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of competitive neural networks. Understanding their inner workings can reveal how they achieve such remarkable feats. These networks, much like the human brain, learn from experience. They adapt and evolve based on the data they are exposed to, becoming more proficient over time. They are fed data and, through a process of competition, begin to identify patterns and relationships within that data. This competitive process allows them to refine their understanding and improve their performance. This ability to learn without explicit instructions makes them incredibly powerful tools for uncovering hidden insights and making sense of complex information. By leveraging competition, these networks can achieve a level of sophistication and accuracy that is unparalleled in the field of artificial intelligence. At the heart of every competitive neural network lies a fundamental principle: winner takes all. This principle is not just a rule but a driving force that shapes the way these networks learn and evolve. Imagine a group of neurons, each receiving a signal. These signals can vary in strength and importance, creating a dynamic environment where only the fittest survive. Only one neuron, the one with the strongest response to the input, will emerge victorious. This neuron stands out because it has the best match for the given input, making it the most relevant in that context. This winner gets the privilege of learning and updating its connections. It adjusts its pathways, becoming more efficient and better suited for future tasks. This competitive mechanism might seem harsh, but it's the key to their learning prowess. It ensures that only the most effective neurons are reinforced, leading to a more robust and capable network. By focusing on the most responsive neuron, the network can efficiently adapt to the input data. This selective process allows the network to hone in on the most critical aspects of the data. The winner neuron, representing the best match for the input, gets strengthened. Its connections become more pronounced, making it even more likely to win in future competitions. The others? They are left to observe and refine their responses for the next round of competition. This constant adjustment and learning process is what drives the network's evolution. This process, repeated over and over with vast data sets, allows the network to self-organize. Each iteration brings the network closer to optimal performance. It learns to recognize patterns and cluster similar data points together, all without explicit instructions. This ability to self-organize is a hallmark of competitive neural networks. This ability to find order in chaos is what makes competitive neural networks so fascinating and valuable. They can transform seemingly random data into meaningful insights, making them indispensable in various fields. Now let's delve into the learning process. Imagine feeding our competitive network a stream of data, like images of handwritten digits. Each neuron in the network has a set of weights, which determine its response to the input. Initially, these weights are random. As the data flows in, each neuron calculates its response based on its weights. The neuron with the strongest response wins the competition. But the story doesn't end there. The winning neuron now gets to adjust its weights, becoming even more attuned to the input pattern that led to its victory. This adjustment process, known as weight updating, is crucial. It's how the network learns and improves over time. The winning neuron essentially becomes a specialist in recognizing a particular pattern or feature in the data. And as the network encounters more data, it refines its expertise, becoming increasingly adept at its task. Section 4. Real-world champions, applications of competitive networks. The power of competitive neural networks extends far beyond theoretical models. They have found a home in a wide range of real-world applications, proving their mettle in diverse fields. Let's explore some of these areas where competitive networks are making a real difference. One prominent application is vector quantization, a technique for compressing and representing data efficiently. Imagine having a vast collection of images. Competitive networks can be used to create a codebook of representative image features. Instead of storing the entire image, we can store a code that points to its closest representative in the codebook. This significantly reduces storage space without sacrificing too much detail. But that's not all. Competitive networks are also used in data compression, image recognition, and even robotics. Their ability to find patterns and cluster data makes them invaluable tools for understanding complex systems and making sense of the world around us. In healthcare, competitive networks are revolutionizing diagnostics by analyzing complex medical data to detect diseases early. In finance, they help in predicting market trends and managing risks by identifying patterns in vast datasets. In the automotive industry, they are crucial for the development of autonomous vehicles, enabling cars to navigate and make decisions in real time. Even in customer service, competitive networks power chatbots that provide personalized assistance by understanding and responding to user queries effectively. The versatility and efficiency of competitive networks make them a cornerstone of modern AI applications, driving innovation and transforming industries across the globe. Section 5. Vector quantization, from data chaos to order. Let's take a closer look at vector quantization, a powerful application of competitive neural networks. Imagine you have a massive data set of high-dimensional data, like images or audio recordings. Storing and processing this data can be incredibly resource-intensive. This is where vector quantization comes in. It allows us to compress the data by representing it with a smaller set of representative vectors or code words. Think of it like creating a dictionary of essential building blocks for your data. Competitive neural networks excel at this task. They can be trained on the data to identify clusters of similar data points. The winner neurons in these networks, representing the centers of these clusters, become our code words. Each data point is then assigned to its closest code word, effectively compressing the data without losing too much information.